Hello, welcome to the Alpha 1982 YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all safe and sound and that you're ready for a new Paracord project. Today we're gonna use the red Microcord and the black Paracord. The length of Microcord and the Paracord are down in the video description below this video. Now we're gonna take the jig and we're gonna insert the buckles into the jig. And first we're gonna take the ends of black paracord, pull it together, find the center of it, and then we're gonna create the bracelet core. Today we're gonna use the two-strand bracelet core, sorry. So here on the one end we're gonna insert this black center of the black paracord from the back side or the bottom, like so. And here, as you can see, we have this loop, and now from here we're gonna simply pull through those two strands of a paracord, or two ends, as you wish. And now we're gonna pull it to make it tight, and from here we're gonna simply pass it to the side. And now from the one end we're gonna pass it from the back or from the bottom to the top, and then through this loop here, like so, and pull. And one more important thing, if you want to learn how to create this awesome Paracord bracelet, you can do so by following the tutorial in the top right corner of this video in the information cards. So that being said, let's proceed. Now we're gonna take the left strand and we also gonna insert it from the back. So here we created our two-strand bracelet core. Now we're gonna do the other side of bracelet. Simply from the top into the buckle, and then through, and now around, and from the back through the buckle, and now through the loop here. Now from here we're gonna start with our weaves. So we're gonna take the right strand and we're gonna make it under the bracelet core, around, on top, and then through this loop on the right side. Now the same on the left, under, around, from the top through the loop. And proceed, under, around, from the top through the loop, As you can see, we reach the end of this part of today's project. Now we're gonna finish this up and we're gonna pass to the stitching part. To finish the bracelet, this basic part or first part, we'll insert our feed into the middle. And here we are. Now we're gonna pass to the stitching part. So now we're gonna take the feed and we're gonna insert it from this side here. So from this end. Always leave a little bit of paracord to the side. And now we're gonna enter the bracelet from the middle. So from the back and through the middle. And now we're gonna start. So here we are almost on the end, but here we need to rearrange a bit this starting point of a bracelet, but first to finish it. So from here we're gonna insert our cord into the middle here. Now we're gonna cut off the excess of a microcord and melt it, but before that we're gonna rearrange a bit this part here. So we're gonna pull the cord through microcord here. So we're gonna insert it here from the top through, and now from the back through the loop here. And finish it on the side right here. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. See ya, bye.